Spanning across 25,000 square meters, the Swedish home furnishings giant IKEA opened its first store in the Sultanate of Oman at Oman Avenues Mall in the Wilaya of Bosher.
Having such good investment projects coming to the country is a good sign of our economy and thus provides jobs for locals.
The two-level store features inspirational room setups and creative solutions for visitors, with over 9,000 articles across living room, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, and other home furnishing accessories. Besides, the store comprises a 394-seat restaurant directly connected to the shopping center for easy access and convenience.
I'm thrilled to be here, and it's fantastic to see a very important part of my country, Sweden, coming to Oman finally after long waiting time, making it now possible for all the Omani families to come here to Muscat to do their shopping.
Oman's first IKEA also offers services such as in-store planning tools and picking services to help customers create and find everything they need to build their dream space.